Hello everybody, I hope you're well. My name is Guiliana, and I just wanted to share a really quick lesson on discovering new orchestration paths on the kit. I have to give a big shout out to one of my favorite drummers and one of my teachers, Dan Weiss. He showed me this maybe 15, almost 20 years ago when I was studying with him, and it's really stuck with me, and it's a great, great tool to just learn new ways around the drums. So what we're gonna do is everything we play will just be single strokes. And throughout, I'll play the pulse on the bass drum. I'll just play quarter notes with my right foot, and we'll play 16th notes. But what makes this interesting is that we will assign a path, a different path, for each of the hands. So for the right hand, we'll start on the snare drum, we'll move to the ride cymbal, and then we'll go to the floor tom. Okay, so that's what the right hand will do the whole time. And now the left hand will assign a different path. We'll start on the snare drum, we'll move to the rack tom, we'll go to this cymbal on the left side, and then we'll go to the hi-hat. 4 different sounds, let's hear that. So now, I'll start playing quarter notes with the bass drum, and I'll play 16th notes on the snare drum. I'll just get that feeling good, nice and relaxed. I'll just do the right hand path, and I'll keep the left hand only on the snare drum. After I've done that for a little bit, I'll bring the right hand back to the snare drum, and I'll do the left hand path and see how that feels. Then I'll bring both hands back to the snare drum, and then when I feel like I'm ready, I'll start to send each limb on its own path, and we'll hear what that sounds like. So all we did there was we were just playing singles, hand-to-hand, 16th notes with a quarter note pulse. But by choosing these different paths, it actually creates some really, really interesting melodies, some nice surprising changes in textures. Again, it's a really quick way to ignite some musicality in your playing. So just once again, thank you to Dan Weiss for this idea. I hope it's okay that I'm sharing it with the rest of the world. Again, please, explore these different paths, look for new solutions. Most importantly, make sure it is truly unique to you, and so you can really make some nice self-discoveries. Thanks for your time.